Are you facing random restart issues on your Samsung phone? This issue can happen because of software bugs, auto restart settings, or faulty apps. In this guide, I'll show you simple and effective methods to stop random restarts and make your Samsung phone run smoothly again. Method 1. Restart your phone manually. Sometimes temporary system glitches or background errors can cause your Samsung phone to restart automatically. Performing a manual restart refreshes the system and clears minor bugs. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together for a few seconds. When the power menu appears, tap Restart. Wait for the phone to completely reboot. After the restart, use your phone normally and check if the issue is fixed. This is the quickest and easiest solution and often works for temporary software problems. Method 2. Update Samsung software. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons behind random restart issues. Samsung regularly releases updates to improve system stability, fix bugs, and enhance device performance. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install. If a new update is available, install it. Once the update is complete, restart your phone. Keeping your device updated helps prevent crashes, overheating, and unexpected reboot problems. Method 3. Turn off auto restart settings. Samsung devices include an automatic restart feature designed to optimize performance. However, this setting may cause your phone to restart at unwanted times. Go back to the settings page. Scroll and tap Device Care. Select Auto Optimization. Tap Auto Restart or Restart when needed. Turn the feature off. Disabling this option prevents your phone from restarting automatically during scheduled optimization periods. Method 4. Remove problematic apps. Certain third-party apps, especially recently installed or untrusted apps, can create software conflicts and cause random restarts or crashes. Now, back again in the Settings main menu, scroll and open apps, then look for recently installed or suspicious applications. Tap the app you want to remove. Select Uninstall and confirm. Restart your Samsung phone after removing the apps. If the restart issue started after installing a specific app, removing it can quickly solve the problem and improve overall device performance.